Time management problems? Kulang ka ba lagi sa oras? Feeling mo 24 hours is not enough? Tanong mo ba sa sarili mo, paano bang mag-maximize ng time sa business ko? Alam mo anak, dumaan ako dyan when I was your age. I was very frustrated dahil sa sobrang busy ko, halos hindi na ako matulog. Pero feeling ko, wala pa rin nangyayari sa business ko. Everyday, puro urgent tasks, calls, solve problems, customer issues. Pagdating ng gabi, yung important task ko para sa growth ng business, hindi ko na nagagawa sa sobra kong pagod. Pero nagbago ang lahat when may na-discover ako. Hindi pala tama na ako lahat ang gumagawa. The lesson is this: time is like money. You need to invest it wisely. So, eto yung ginawa ko. I listed down all my tasks, I identified what only I can do, and I delegated the rest. I created systems and processes, and nag-train ako ng mga tao na gagawa. It's the same thing din lately. Nang na-busy na naman ako. Pero doing the same thing now, 50% less na ang task ko. Pero 200% more productive na ang business. Kaya anak, are you really busy? Or just disorganized? Let's value our time para mas lumago ang business natin. And let's be business-minded Pinoy.